Hey everyone, I know that in the previous video that I have said that I would be ending, that was the last video relating to the Hiragana alphabet, and that I would be starting with uh, Japanese greetings in this particular video. But it seems that we are left with yet another part of the Hiragana alphabet system. Of course, you won't be learning any new alphabets, we are already done with that. But in this video, it would be a short video, you would be learning about a certain rule pertaining to the Hiragana alphabet system. Alright? And that rule is called the rule of the teNten, or the voicing mark. Okay, I've said it the other way around. In Japanese, it's called teNten, which translates to the voicing mark. Now, voicing mark is basically used to mark a consonant as voiced. For example, I'll show you. You have this. Okay? Now we have already read, look below, okay? In the down left corner, that's ka from the Hiragana system, alphabet system, right? Do you remember we did ka? Now look at the big alphabet in the middle. Beside ka, there are two small dot-like things like this. Okay, if you add those two dots, or the teNten, beside ka, then it becomes ga. Okay, now ga is the voiced form of the consonant. It's not really consonant, it's a phoneme, ka, right? So when you add basically the teNten to ka, it becomes a ga. So there are various alphabets in Hiragana where you can use the teNten mark to change it to a voiced alphabet. So the alphabets marked in red can be converted using the teNten mark to its voiced form. Okay? Now we come to the first set of alphabets which can possibly convert it to their voiced forms. Okay, these are the voiced forms of these alphabets. They are namely ga, gi, gu, ge, and go. Okay, without the voiced mark or the teNten mark, they would be ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Correct? Now if you add the two dot marks or the teNten marks to each of these alphabets, the sound becomes that of G, ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Okay? The next set, here's the next set. We have sa, shi, su, se, so. Okay? Normal Hiragana alphabets. Adding the voicing mark or the teNten, we have these, and they would be spelled as za, ji, z, ze, and zo. Za, ji, z, ze, zo. Clear? Now moving on. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Remember? Adding the teNten, we have da, ji, tsu, de, and do. Now, as you can notice, beside the chi alphabet, I've added the teNten, but it's inverted. That's because the keyboard somehow doesn't allow me to add a teNten mark besides chi. So I had to give the comma mark beside it, the English comma. I had no other alternative. But when you write, you wouldn't be writing like this. Okay, the teNten mark would be the same as every other alphabet. So yeah. Next we have ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Adding the teNten mark, we have ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo becomes a B instead of an H. And that's it. These are the Hiragana alphabets. These are the Hiragana alphabets which can be changed or converted using the teNten marks. Not all Hiragana alphabets, mind you, can be changed like that. Only certain alphabets Rewind the video, you'll see only the ones marked in red can be converted to its voiced form if we use the theTenTen mark. Okay? Now, definitely in the next video, we'll be moving on to proper Japanese sentences, greetings, and all the interesting stuff. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.